What if I told you that your smartphone could earn you over $100 per day in 2025? Forget laptops, forget huge investments. All you need is your phone, internet, and artificial intelligence. Stay with me as I reveal 5 powerful AI side hustles you can start today, with nothing but your smartphone. Welcome back to Hustle IQ, the home of faceless YouTube growth and artificial intelligence side hustles. Here, I show you how to turn technology into real income in 2025. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss my weekly uploads. 1. AI content creation on social media. With apps like ChatGPT Mobile and Canva, you can create graphics, captions, and full content calendars directly on your phone. Businesses are paying hundreds of dollars every month for content managers. Start small with Instagram or TikTok accounts, and scale from there. 2. AI voiceover and audio services. Apps like Speechify and 11 Labs let you turn text into professional voiceovers instantly. Offer your services on Fiverr for podcasts, audiobooks, or faceless YouTube videos. Each project can earn you $50 to $200 right from your phone. 3. Mobile video editing with AI artificial intelligence-powered apps like CapCut and InShot make editing effortless. They can auto-cut, add captions, and even suggest trending effects. Small businesses and creators will pay for quick, professional edits. 4. AI tutoring and AMP, digital products. Use ChatGPT or Bard to create mini-courses, study guides, or language lessons. Sell them via WhatsApp groups, Telegram channels, or platforms like Gumroad. No cost to start, and it's highly scalable. 5. Faceless YouTube channel from your phone. Yes, you can run an entire YouTube channel on your phone. Write scripts with ChatGPT, edit with CapCut, design thumbnails with Canva, all mobile. This is one of the fastest growing AI hustles in 2025, and it can become a full-time income stream. Those are 5 side hustles you can start today with just your smartphone. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments down finger. If this video gave you value, smash the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to earn in 2025. This is Hustle IQ, helping you hustle smarter, not harder.